Welcome to the first of our autumn videos for erpecnews Live. It's a bit of a giveaway where I am, I suppose. Dover Fueling Solutions have 4 manufacturing facilities around the world. In Mumbai, India, and Rio in Brazil. Austin, Texas, the headquarters for Dover Fueling Solutions. But also in Dundee, Scotland, which is where I am today. This beautiful pump here, brand new, straight off the production line, is of course a Tokheim pump. Recognising the colour red, which has been Tokheim's colour for years and years and years. Nothing's changed on that front. But if I come round here, we've got a Wayne pump. This is a Helix. Rounded edges, beautifully designed, just like the Tokheim. But the thing is, these two are being produced on the same production line now. This year, the factory in Dundee, it's all changed for these two pumps to be manufactured side by side. It's a great achievement. We've been around the factory today to see how this is working. It's rather special. I've been on a few factory visits in my time, and I think this one is absolutely amazing. We're here to write an article about it, do a couple of videos. We hope you'll join us and see the result on erpecnews Live.